I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding from custard powder. First, gather your ingredients: custard powder, milk, and sugar. You'll also need a saucepan and a whisk. The key is precise measurement for a smooth, lump-free result. We'll start by mixing the powder with a small amount of cold milk to create a slurry, preventing lumps when added to hot liquid. This simple step ensures a perfect pudding every time. To begin, measure out your custard powder, milk, and sugar. A common ratio is 2 tablespoons of powder per 1 cup of milk, with sugar to taste. Always use cold milk to mix the powder initially. This prevents lumps and ensures a smooth base for your pudding. Having all your ingredients ready makes the cooking process much easier and more enjoyable. Now, in a saucepan, heat the remaining milk and sugar over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. While stirring continuously, slowly pour in your cold custard powder mixture. Keep whisking vigorously to prevent any lumps from forming. Continue cooking for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the pudding reaches your preferred thickness. It will thicken further as it cools. Once thickened, immediately pour the hot pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, gently press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm pudding. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Serve your delicious homemade pudding chilled, perhaps with fresh berries or a drizzle of chocolate sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.